Hormones play a crucial role of hormones in menstrual cycle. The hormones that control the menstrual cycle are produced by the pituitary gland and the ovary. They are follicle-stimulating hormone, estrogen, luteinizing hormone, and progesterone. The role of follicle-stimulating hormone. It causes Graafian follicle to develop in the ovary, and it stimulates tissues of the ovary to secrete estrogen. The illustration below shows the flow of follicle-stimulating hormone from the pituitary glands in the brain to the ovaries, where it leads to the development of Graafian follicles and stimulates secretion of estrogen.